My biggest inspiration is when somebody tells me it's a stupid idea and it can't be done, because it inspires me to do it much better and to show that there are innovative ways of doing things.
There's a little caterpillar on my toe. There's a little caterpillar, oh little caterpillar. There's a little caterpillar on my toe.
Failures. I've had many, but every failure has inspired me to think hard about what I need to change and what I need to learn.
Wish to live life queen size and to be able to be free and do whatever I want with complete independence and on my own terms.
All achievers, especially women, people who've made it on their own by their sheer grit, determination, hard work and right attitude.
Women managers who have a great work-life balance have always inspired me. Delhi's waste inspires me to create beautiful products, and I find it very modern and living the waste.
Helping others to believe in themselves inspires confidence in me.
Confidence to me is an undying faith in oneself that you can achieve what you want if you set your heart to it and work towards it.
Confidence is a way of approaching things with an attitude of I can tackle it, having the right kind of abilities within you and having a good self-esteem.
Mentoring is the biggest support which we can give to inspire confidence in others.
Well, I was a little girl when it was found out that I was blind. My mentors have mentored me, recognizing my capability at a glance and helping me, mentoring me throughout with patience and care and helping me to blossom into what I am today.
My mentoring sessions with Biz Divas have been excellent, and I have built many beautiful connections and good collaborations to take my work forward.
We believe in collaborating with designers. We have many designers who are working with us. We also believe in collaborating with Educational Institute, who sends a lot of interns. So collaboration for us is the key word.
Discovered the recipe of success and how to fulfill my dreams. And now I'm here to share my experiences for helping others to fulfill theirs.
The primary motivating factor for me to become an entrepreneur has been to move from success to significance.
I wanted to help women to be financially empowered because economic independence gives them an option, it gives them a choice, it gives them a voice.
I didn't work to reach to a particular level, but what has been internally driving me is to make a bigger impact at all times. Conserve India has brought about change in many lives of the rag pickers. We have made them into craft persons.
When you educate a woman or when you empower a woman, you are empowering a community, you are empowering a nation. She pays it forward a million times.
I inspire change.
I inspire creation. I inspire balance.
I inspire sharing.
I inspire collaboration.
I inspire mentoring.
I inspire confidence.